All right, so basically what you see here is we're installing a waterfall kit from Genesis. All right, gentlemen. Watch your fingers, guys.
Yeah.
There we go. It's all pretty self-explanatory. It was pretty easy to do. We dry fitted everything first.
Right there, right?
No, we have 8 and 9. Let's figure out where 8 to 9 is.
It's 8 is over there, look.
Yep. Yeah, I like that. That looks fine. There's concrete underneath there. I'm gonna be pissed. Hold on. We just went ahead and mixed up our mud, which is just Portland cement and sand. And we also throw some concrete bonding fortifier in there as well, just to make sure that we got the flex and dexterity that we need for the temperatures. With the kit, you get 1-inch plumbing. You also get some elbows. Can't really speak on anything else. It's pretty easy to do. Definitely worth the price.